Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video what I got is I have a Supreme Spring Summer 19 week 1 unboxing. I already got some items right here. I told y'all about that in a past video. Basically what I'm gonna be doing in this video is, well, unboxing them. Unboxing them what I copped from the store and that dropped on Thursday. Last week that was the normal drop. This one today online we had the drop on Monday. I was not successful at all because I had a test during it, so obviously copying stuff would be about impossible, but I did manage to cop one thing. It was the creeper tee, but it's really not going for that much, so I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with it. But you know, I just sort of copped it. I was like, why not? I wasn't really stressing about missing out on too many things other than the formula crew neck. I tried to go for that, but it just didn't work out. It was too late at that point because I also got on the drop late at like 11:02. I was like, it's gonna be tough here, but that's really it. So I just hope you guys will enjoy this video. We're gonna get straight into the boxing. If you want more unboxings, more Supreme Spring Summer 19 stuff, please you guys subscribe below and drop a like in this video, and I'll be sure to do a ton more stuff like this. And yeah, a little bit earlier I guess for the online users to get their stuff a little bit slight. Yeah, let's get started. But we're gonna really get straight into it. We're gonna use scissors here to really get this package open. This one right here, you all see it right here, basic package. Or actually I can just open it from the top here. I don't even need the scissors. So here's what we're gonna be doing. Just opening it like that, almost there. And here's how we open it like that. All right, so you see we have a bag right here. Of course, here we go. So here's the Supreme bag. Y'all can see that. Again, it's just a normal bag, nothing crazy really, but maybe cool to some of y'all. So there you go. Now we're actually gonna get into what's inside it. So first things first, we're gonna get started, see if there's anything, aside from what I got, I wanna see if there's like free gifts or anything. Okay, so it appears we got one sticker. Y'all can see this, some grills right there. They say Supreme actually, here you go. There you go, y'all may be able to see that. So starts right there, sup, and Supreme. So Supreme sticker right there, nothing crazy. I'm not gonna get overly hyped about that, but we're gonna get into the items. I'm actually pretty excited to get those. Like I was waiting a little bit for these, had to negotiate them while I got them. So the first one right here, I'm not gonna undead stock this one, but it is the Supreme water bottle. Y'all can probably see this. All right, you know, it's just, yeah, it's basically dead stock, nothing crazy. Whatever, here's what we got right here. So the Supreme I think it was like 1 liter or half liter water bottle. Here, y'all can see that. It just says sup and ream all around it right there. You know, I think this one's cool. Nothing like, again, I'm not like, you know, just slight. That's really it. And yeah, you know, this is like a rubber sort of thing right here. So if y'all are interested in knowing that, there you go. And then there's the bottom layer. So that's your 1 liter water bottle, and there's all the details of it. And that's, you know, really it. Just screws on like that, or off and on. Like the, if I could maybe get it on, then I could show you. On, like that, there you go. But yeah, there you go. It's from Switzerland. And that's really it. So, you know, Supreme water bottle, cool, but I mean, just sort of like a maybe resell, probably just a, I mean, I don't know, I'm probably gonna resell this one, but the other one I'm thinking of keeping. But the next one we got here is the Supreme waist bag Spring Summer 19. So y'all can see this. Now, there is some details I wanna show y'all on it. Other than that, and there's nothing really crazy there, but the strap is just normal red, nothing crazy about it. And there's actually something I want to show you all that actually I just sort of noticed on it that's pretty cool. Now obviously the tag straight from the Bowery, y'all can see that. Again, that's not really a flex. I'm holding this one anyway, so I'm just gonna take it out. It's not gonna be used, so it's fine. So here we go, here's the bag out of the little wrap that it was in. But if you all can see that, look at all the details on it. You all can see it says Supreme all around it right there. And it's actually, wow, the camera's getting pretty good capture of it. But yeah, you can see that the box over there, tags, and right here, look at that, all the details on it. There's nothing on the strap at all, just normal red, other than that right there. And you can see it pretty visibly. That's what I mean. You see the little repeat pattern that we got going all around it. That is actually pretty sick. And you know, I vibe with it. You know, Supreme, I think you did a good job with these waist bags. I don't think, you know, nothing crazy. But for me, like, I've never been a huge fan of the shoulder bag and waist bag thing. So like, that's why I'm saying I'm probably just gonna hold this because I think it's gonna go up. I mean, I'm just trying to, you know, I'm also trying to resell this year. So week 1 wasn't any personal cops for me, but week 2, I'm hoping there'll be at least a tee or two or something. I mean, there was like the formula crew neck this week, but obviously as I told you already, took that on that one. But here we go on this one, pretty sick bag, normal red colorway. And I think it's going right around for like 120, 130 right now. So I can make a bit of profit off this, but I'm probably just gonna hold it because bags usually go up. And that's something I just wanna make sure y'all know, because especially shoulder bags. If you get a shoulder bag, hold that. But that's really it. Comment some unoriginal jokes on me down below if you feel like it. 2 that are off limits, calling me Baron Trump. I already know that. I look very similar. It's funny though, they make me laugh. I don't get offended by any of them. They're funny. So Baron Trump, Whoville joke, unoriginal, because I know I do look, because my nose makes me look like that. But probably not funny, don't know why I said it. But if you want to comment something funny to me, go ahead, try and roast me. I actually would take some enjoyment in that, because it's Monday and I really do not care. But yeah, that's it. Gotta go back to school tomorrow, gotta do some homework, so I'm sort of rushing my words here, but here's what we got. This waist bag, and then we got the water bottle, which y'all remember. So that's pretty much it, what I copped, and yeah, that's a week 1 unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe for more videos like this, drop a like, and that's it. I appreciate y'all. So there's the video. Peace out.